How to use PrizePicks in an illegal state. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use PrizePicks in an illegal state. So if you belong to one of these states where PrizePicks is not available, so all you have to do is just get a VPN. So VPN is a quick fix way to access a PrizePicks account from an illegal state. All you have to do is just get the VPN. This VPN is Windscribe. So you can get it from Play Store or Apple Store, and you can also get it in your Chrome browser. And once you open the Windscribe, just select the location as New York Emperor, and then you will be able to access your PrizePicks account. And if you're using PrizePicks in the mobile, so all you have to do is just get the application called Windscribe in your mobile device, and from there you will be able to access PrizePicks. So this is basically how you will be able to use PrizePicks in an illegal state. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.